Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Money Mantra with Chinmay. In the last video, we discussed about the necessity of emergency funds, and in this video, I will be talking about what to do in case an emergency strikes you, but you do not have the corpus ready with you. So under this situation, the first thing which you need to do is you need to assess the amount that is required for this emergency. Secondly, you need to know that whether your income source is intact or it is not intact. Once you have assessed the situation and the amount required, you need to tap on your cash in hand and secondly, the savings. Why I'm talking about savings? The reason is that the amount which is there in your savings account, it yields lesser interest as compared to other instruments. Hence, it is always judicious to use your amount which is there in the savings account as compared to the other instruments. The first option is you can borrow the funds from your close family or close friends, because they will definitely not charge interest. You also have the flexibility to repay the amount as per your own financial situation. The second option can be you can ask for an early or an advance salary from your employer. The third option is gold loans. We Indians have always believed and invested in the yellow metal, isn't it? So gold loan is a great option when you really need cash. Both NBFCs and banks, they disperse the gold loans in the range of approximately 75% to 90% of the gold value. Gold loans are also processed quickly and the credit rating or the credit history really doesn't matter in this case. You can also take instant cash loans from the personal loan apps like Early Salary, MoneyTap, MoneyView. They disperse quick cash loans and they also have interest rates lesser as compared to the credit cards. Another option is to avail the overdraft facility from bank. In the overdraft facility, you can withdraw more amount from your savings account than you really have, but this all depends upon the overdraft limit which has been set by the bank. So the first option here is that recall any loans or just try to collect the dues which you might have given. The second option is liquidate all your assets related to your short-term goals like RD, mutual funds, stocks and even FDs. Revisit your ULIPs and the other policies that you might be having. You can choose to stop the premium of those policies which are redundant, but please ensure that you have a term plan and health insurance in your portfolio intact. If need be, you can stop your SIPs, RDs and gold accumulation plan if you have any. Please have a relook at your expenses and curtail down on your leisure activities and leisure expenses. As the saying goes, hope for the best and prepare for the worst. I wish that no emergency strikes any of us. But if in case there is a situation of contingency, I'm sure that the tools which I have shared must be really helpful to you all. In order to read the details on all these tools, please check out my website www.mommyinme.com. Thank you.